how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have here another sunglass for you guys from WMP Eyewear, American brand. Lovely packaging. I have many videos from Raven, from Guess, other big brand of sunglasses, also from Prada. You want to check the video description for compare this product. So without further ado, I'm taking out. Beautiful, you see here, design in the AZ desert, Arizona desert. Okay, here more things. One small design of the glass here from Arizona. Owner made in purpose. You have a QR code if you want to know more. Beautiful cover on this. Lovely. I take this off. Only one complaint, doesn't come with a leather pouch or anything. The glass is direct. Okay, wow, see, beautiful looking glass here. You can see the color, other things. Beautiful glass, guys. Take this off as this. The size of the information right, and you see here WMD. Beautiful body, classical. You see Verona. This is the model of this glass, Verona from WMD. WI stand for Western something, could be. Lovely glass. Feel very high quality product here. This is, look at this, how you can see. You can see here the glass, good quality, guys. Here you see how beautiful quality and very lovely design indeed, guys. The frame of this one, lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.